This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Cristina Wray. Beautiful 3-bedroom 2 full bath ranch, nestled on 1.57 wooded acres in cul-de-sac. This home is freshly painted, has new carpet, a new Trane HVAC system installed in 2021, and shows pride in ownership. The well-designed open floor plan flows from the kitchen to a wood deck looking out to the wooded acreage of expansion potential. Picture perfect, this one is move-in ready and priced to sell. For more information, review the details below or contact Cristina Wray at 757-638-5700.